Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Maimo Watch R, and today I'm going to show you how to force restart this watch. And force restart could be useful if something is not working properly on your watch. Maybe it's sluggish, unresponsive, maybe something doesn't want to connect to the watch like phone, anything that would require you to try restarting your watch. And of course I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And to force restart our watch, we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it for about 15-20 seconds, basically until the watch turns off. It's kind of hard to tell when it turns off, but like I said before, just keep holding it for like 15-20 seconds. So let's press and hold the button. Even the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a bit more. Okay, I think that should be enough, so we can release the button. And at this point, the watch will reboot. Once you release the button, of course. As you can see, we have a logo on the screen, and after that, it will boot in. And basically, that's how you force restart this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.